Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm making a too soon by Sam Ross from Attaboy in New York. He's the creator of the Penicillin cocktail, as well as the paper plane and the Conquistador. I believe that's what it was called. And I haven't made that on the channel yet, so if this video gets 1,000 likes in the first 24 hours, then I'll do that next. Cool. So this cocktail is quite similar to the Enzoni, and that was massively popular. People really seem to like that. It's a gin sour with the addition of Cynar and orange. So for those that missed the Enzoni video, I'll link to that up there. And that was a gin sour meets Negroni. So it had Campari and grapes. So instead of Campari and grapes in this gin sour, I'm using Cynar and a couple of slices of orange. So I'll slice up a few pieces of orange and add that straight into my cocktail shaker. And that just gets shaken in with the rest of the ingredients. And it's a gin-based cocktail. I'm just going to use Beefeater and measure out 30 ml, 1 ounce. Straight in. Followed by Cynar, thanks to Chris H for buying the back bar. 30 ml, 1 ounce. And we've got 22.5 ml, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. I get asked all the time about this citrus press, so if you want to check it out, you can find the link in the description below. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce, and 1:1 simple syrup. 15 ml, half an ounce. Plenty of ice, and shake for 12 seconds. And it gets double strained into a chilled coupe glass. It's one of those drinks that looks quite murky, and it's kind of like muddy water. But I feel like it's going to be one of those ones that surprises me. I'm going to leave this one ungarnished. And there you have a too soon. Too soon? Cheers. Yum. The first notes that you get are those bright citrusy notes. There's a lot of citrus oil in there. And then you get that subtle bittersweet Cynar. I think it's made with like 13 botanicals, but it's artichoke. Kind of vegetal, but it evolves in your mouth. Lots of citrus up front. I really like Sam Ross's cocktails. Question of the day, thanks to Aaron, which I'll leave on the screen right here. He asked, how long do you keep your simple syrups for? For a 1:1 simple syrup, so 1 part sugar to 1 part water by weight, I'd keep that maybe 3 to 4 weeks. And a 2:1 sugar syrup could keep for 3 to 6 months. So, and make sure you always keep it in the fridge as well. And if you make a fruit-based syrup, it's going to last a little bit less. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.